FCS is celebrating their 50 years anniversary this year. They are specialized in two-tone injection molding machines. This year, their main product is different kind of two-tone and high-speed or electric injection molding machines. Here in FCS, there's also one IML system. IML system is the highlight solution of injection molding this year in Chinaplas. You can find many IML solutions. The IML system here in FCS is 12 and 12 cavities IML solution with two-tone injection. Which is the feature of this solution is have the spoon and the lid in the same mold, but with two-tone injection. So we have a two-color solution. You can see that's the spoon with different colors, and with the injection, with the spoons automatically assembled to the lid immediately after the injection molding. The IML solution provider is GECH automation, which is growing very fast IML solution provider in China now, the main competitive of FCS. The injection molding machine for this solution is SA380H, which is 380 ton hydraulic injection molding machine, two-tone hydraulic injection molding machine. That's FCS.